How do I change my debit card zip code?
Hello everyone! Today, we're going to tackle a task that may seem a bit tricky at first: how to change the zip code associated with your debit card. It's a simple process that can be done online, and we're going to walk you through it step by step.
Why might you need to change your debit card zip code?
The zip code associated with your debit card is often used as a security measure to verify your identity. If you've moved recently or your bank has the wrong zip code on file, you might need to change it to ensure your card works properly and securely.
Accessing your bank account online.
To change your debit card zip code, you'll first need to access your bank account online. This usually involves 1. Going to your bank's website. 2. Logging in with your username and password. Remember, your online account will typically have the most up-to-date information about your debit card and its associated details.
Finding the card details section.
Once you're logged into your account, navigate to the section where your debit card details are stored. This is usually found under My Accounts, Account Services, or Card Services. In this section, you should see information about your debit card, including the card number, expiration date, and zip code.
Updating your zip code.
Here's where the actual change happens. There should be an option to update card details, edit card information, or something similar. Click on this option. In the new screen, you will be able to change your debit card zip code. Simply enter your new zip code in the appropriate field and then click on the option to save or update the changes. Remember, it's important to double-check the new zip code to ensure it's correct. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully changed the zip code associated with your debit card. We hope this video has been helpful and makes managing your bank account just a bit easier. Stay safe and happy banking!